Hey YouTube, got a Saturday video. Oh, I mean Sunday, sorry. Y'all wanted to hear how I sound. I'm quite sure y'all wanted to hear, so it's my first time starting it up on YouTube. By the way, this is my GT. What's fucked up? Retards can't drive. But let's see how it sounds, since that's what y'all want to hear. Sound like a can. Cold start. Well, that's how it sounds. Make videos every 2 days a week. Since I have nothing else to do, just make YouTube videos of my Mach 1. Since I don't have no new guns coming in, don't have a problem. Don't really care about guns anymore. Now if y'all want to hear how that thing sounds when start up, well, it's not loud like this, but no, YouTube, I'm uploading in a few minutes.